Hi, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to activate Google Assistant in your Samsung Galaxy A16 device. Just follow these easy steps to do it. Go ahead and open your Google app and log into your account. Now tap on your profile photo here and select Settings. Now tap on Google Assistant. Here, scroll down and tap on General. Under General Settings, here you will find Google Assistant. So first of all, turn on Google Assistant. Now go back from here, scroll up, and this time tap on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now we have to verify our voice in Google. So enable Hey Google, and sorry for that. Tap on More, I agree, More, I agree. Now say, Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. You have to complete 4 steps here. Now say, Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Once you're successfully verified, now tap on Next and you have successfully activated Google Assistant. Now let's see how it works. Just say, Hey Google, tell me a joke. Here you see the Google Assistant working perfectly. Thanks for watching.